So the question is, what's the difference between old risk tools and new risk tools? Well, the difference is that the old tools were built by programmers and risk analysts who would analyze data and try to identify patterns, and then they would write programs that would try to catch new fraud based on patterns that they saw in old fraud. So that's the old approach. It's the approach that we used as well before we started using AI. And the difference between AI, the new approach, the new tool, and the old tool is that AI is able to identify patterns that humans can never see. So just like AI learned to play Jeopardy better than humans, that it learned to play chess better by identifying patterns, AI risk is also able to identify patterns and risk that humans could never see, because it's able to compute way more data than a human brain can, and it can find smaller and smaller groups of risky traffic than a human could. So what does that mean for you? It means that instead of refunding or cutting out large amounts of traffic, large amounts of transactions to remove a relatively small amount of risk, you can cut out smaller groups of traffic to remove even larger groups of risk. So that's the difference between the new risk tools and the old risk tools. It's more precise because it's better at finding patterns than humans are. That's the advantage of AI, and that's what we're seeing with our new risk tools.